All right, so today we're doing a tour of the Obarrio area. This is like downtown Panama. I want to kind of show you all the area. Here we're near the Sortis Hotel. Looking all around. Yeah, y'all see, I want y'all to see these cars. We've been telling y'all about these drivers, so you're gonna see it today. You're gonna see it today. But yeah, this area has like restaurants. This is like the main casino area, like it's like a Marriott hotel. So I guess an option for you to come if you're coming to visit on vacation. You can see here, has different restaurants in it. Take it down here. Yeah. So this area has a mix, so you'll see some of the sidewalks, like this is a nice little wide sidewalk here. But then you'll see on the other side, you'll see like thinner ones, but it's a walkable area, I would say. So it's definitely an option. It does have a lot of residential towers in it. And they're gonna range from the type of towers that they are, like I guess like in the quality of it. So this one over here, for example, the PH La Reina, that's gonna look a little different from maybe like one of the other high rises here. So one of the things I kind of like about this area is like every other step you kind of take, you're gonna see a restaurant of some sort. You're gonna see little markets, and you're gonna see people, which you don't see them out right now. They're usually here in the morning sometimes, like we've seen, but you'll see people out with selling fresh fruit. So here's an area over here, the Mini Mart Libre, like that place has like fresh fruit in it, and there's like a lot of those around. And here's just another image of the view or side of the Sortis Hotel. There's a 24-hour cafe in it. So yeah, you'll see people walking home. It's around the after 5 p.m. time, so people are getting off work. But you'll see this place called like Times Square Plaza. It has a Pharmacy or Rocha. Now, Pharmacy or Rocha is like a pharmacy, thinking like a CVS or a Walgreens, like back in the U.S. They're gonna take you down here. See. So yeah. Yeah. Now we actually checked out this place one night. Here you'll see this building. Up here at the very top of the building is like a sushi and like Italian restaurant, like a fusion of like Japanese and Italian. So you'll see like different things. Anytime you like these high rises, a lot of them have like these rooftop bars or rooftop restaurants, which gives you a nice little view of the Panamanian skyline for the city. So this also has a business tower, so if you're looking for co-working space and you want to live in the area, there is a co-working space if you are looking for that. You can rent out an office. You can also just kind of have somewhere to work if you want to meet people while you're working. Sometimes working from home can be a lonely thing if you don't have a co-worker. I'm lucky I got my wife, so we're co-workers. But if you're here alone, then that gives you an option. Wait for these cars to go by. So you'll see again another area like with a place to eat and drink, and you'll see a lot of these places where they're like washing for car washes and stuff too. So keep on walking here. Now, I haven't been walking long, but you see there's a lot of restaurants in this area. But one thing I want to point out is like some of these sidewalks is not always stroller friendly. So you'll see here, you're gonna be hopping and skipping around here. So let me go ahead, hold on, you see these cars? And I'm showing y'all right now, they don't care that I'm right here trying to cross the street. You see that? Like they heard me crossing, hurry up now. Gotta hurry up, don't get hit. Let me hop over here. This was the rooftop place I was telling you about, Osaka Toscana rooftop. So taking you through some more residential buildings. You see over there too, like all these are high rises. And sometimes it's kind of hard to have a distinction between what is like high rises for residential or like business offices. Like that's business offices over here versus these. Now I showed you a Pharma Rocha. Oh, this is pretty cool. You can see the different, like you're gonna find this in downtown area. A lot of graffiti and things. I guess people's artistic expression. Now I showed you a Pharma Rocha. This is called Metro Plus. It's like another type of pharmacy area again, like think CVS, Walgreens. So Obarrio is, like I said, called the downtown area. It's kind of like the business center. So there's a lot of businesses around here and a lot of banks. So you'll see a lot of people here. You know, it's really close to the metro, and it's highly trafficked. So depending on the time of day, you're gonna run into a lot of people, run a lot of traffic, foot traffic, and car traffic. But yeah, so you banks. You got an eye care center right there. The pharmacy again. Different fondas. So you'll see there's probably about, man, probably like 6 or 7 fondas walking distance in the area as well. Now, one of the trade-offs is that it can get loud. It can get noise over here because it is downtown. So I think downtown back home for you, it's gonna be noisy. So staying here, you will get that. But you'll see, you'll have a lot of access. So Banco General right here, Benismo. And then you have this place called like Todo a Dollar. Like everything is it's not really, it's like a dollar store, but then like the Dollar Trees back home. It's not everything not a dollar, but it has a lot of different items in there that are a lower price. So you can find a lot of things. It reminds you exactly like a Dollar Tree actually. So yep. Now I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit just so y'all can kind of look and see the area some more. Let's cross this street safely. So another thing that's kind of cool about this area is like it is a lot of sidewalks, very walkable. But again, like I said, you're gonna be jumping and skipping on some of this stuff if you got strollers, or maybe if you need walking assistance or use a walker or anything like that. It can be something to consider. But there's like a lot of Ubers in the area, and again, a lot of public transportation in this area. Just gonna walk you through here. This is definitely a spot where you have to like walk around to like run into things. A lot of hidden gems, a lot of restaurants, a lot of coffee shops. So there's another coffee shop, Tosto Coffee. And you see what I'm saying? Like the roads can get like this. Like you looking at these, you walking, you're gonna be jumping. You know, so let me show you here. Oh, gotta do all that. So more restaurants, DHL, another like Japanese restaurant there. And we're gonna do more like these. I just wanna kind of show you different areas here so that you can see and consider. So I'm gonna show you some more buildings. So this here is another like business building, more residential. Now one thing to consider is like, you know, you're gonna be, if you live in somewhere like this, you're gonna be really close to walking, but you will have this road, this main road right here, so it can get noisy. Got your Kava lounges down here. One other thing that's cool around here too, which maybe I'll go down there at some point, is you can have like CrossFit gyms, working out areas. Yeah, different little like boutique shops. So this place called Kadu. Over there, the Cubic Studio Cafe. Another thing in this area that we've noticed too is a lot of like beauty services as well. So like spa, nails, hair, barbers. And you'll see a lot of restaurants also have like residential above them. See, they come. There's a lot of places to explore for sure. Show you here. It's another restaurant. Haven't been here, but I've heard some good things about it. We have been to this restaurant before. I almost tripped and fell just now, y'all. See, I be paying attention. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's pretty good. And they have like keto, vegan options, like lower sugar options, coffee, bakery, sandwiches, stuff like that. And so this is what I was saying about, like, you got your different, like, gym, restaurants here. A lot of pet stores. Let's take it down here. Let's see, sidewalks. Across the street quickly. They get impatient around here. Walk it down. Now, the area not only has high rises and businesses, you'll also find like little pockets where there's actual houses with yards too. So you'll see here there's like a gated home here. Walk it down here. Different random shops. German kitchen. Bags here. So a couple of these. So these homes are like, and so you see these little cages here. This is where people used to put their trash in. So this is kind of what we were talking about. Like they'll put the trash in these little open bins. Sometimes they just leave them right here. But that's the system. You got other ones like this. Cameras and everything. Walk it down. One other thing you want to consider is that usually when you're in areas like these in the city, there's going to be some construction. So that can come with noise too. So always go and tour the area and look what's near it. See here, yep, see, matter of fact, see some construction over there. Another gated community, and they don't play, man. They keep their cameras on it. They're not playing with you. Run up on this house if you want to. Look at this here. So here we are again, walking up on another coffee shop / restaurant. There's also like parks in this area. And I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Like, I'm not about to walk this whole thing. I'm just showing you a piece of it. A piece of this place. Maybe I'll show you another half of it another time when I'm over this way. But I happen to be here today exploring. More construction. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna cross over here. Well, I ain't gonna cross it yet. You see this car coming, right? All right, he letting us go. All right. We made it safely. So you'll see the iconic building over there, the little swirly, twisty building, F&F Tower, I believe it's called. More. I know they tell you sometimes a lot of areas in Panama don't have a lot of walkability as far as the infrastructure on the sidewalks, but this is one area where it's not like that. El Congrejo is another area where there is that walkability. San Francisco, we did notice, is kind of like those streets get a little crazy. But another strip of restaurants. Got your Peruvian restaurant, home and decor stores, other boutique stuff. So this is at the Plaza Central Mall. Now, another key, this area is really close to Multi Plaza as well as other hospitals. So that could be a benefit. Just kind of show you more of this area here. It's nice. Walking along. Now, one of the things I ask you all to do is, in the comment, if you got this far, if you got this far in the video, I ask you to leave in the comments, what are some areas that you want me to kind of walk around and give you a tour? Maybe there are areas that you're curious about, how does it look there? And I can maybe go and walk around and show you, kind of be your boots on the ground a little bit and show you what a certain area looks like. See here. One thing you're gonna get, if you live in one of these areas like this, you're gonna get you some exercise. You're gonna walk. because you can walk to, which we've seen like different farmer market type things around here, meat markets, you know, different things, a lot of businesses. Another restaurant, an Italian kosher cuisine. More high-rise residential areas. See them yellows, watch out for them yellows. All right, we're gonna cross the street here. Yeah, it's the first time it's been clear. Yeah, rare is clear over here. Yeah, so this isn't far from via Brazil, via Israel, or via Argentina, and via Hispana. So that little is like kind of what borders around this area of Obarrio here in the center. The dogs. Got more of another residential area here with some houses on the side. Definitely a cool place to kind of walk around and explore. You'll run into some things. You'll run into some fresh coconuts and different things around. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will do more like these. Maybe I'll do longer walks, but I just want to kind of hop in here and let you all see this one because we happen to be in this area today. And I was like, you know what? Let's get a little image of Obarrio for the people. So hopefully you like it, and let me know what other areas you want us to explore.